Our final construction block will be the arch block. And we're going to have a couple different processes we're going to follow in order to make this construction block. In order to get started, we're going to create a sketch. I'm going to choose this front work plane. I'm going to utilize the 2-point rectangle, selecting on the origin. The height of this is going to be 1 1/8. I'm going to press the tab key. The width is going to be 2 5/16. Hit enter to set those dimensions in. We're going to go ahead, and now that we've got a fully constrained sketch, we're going to finish it. And I'm going to go ahead and extrude, and this extrusion depth is going to be 1 1/8. Hit enter to set that in. So we're going to start off with kind of like a rectangular prism that's kind of been lying down. And what this is going to do is we're going to have to create the little cutout opening from the front face. So I'm going to select create sketch one more time. This time I want to select not the orange work plane, but the actual face of the block. So I'm going to click on that. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to select the center diameter circle. I'm going to go ahead and place my cursor down here, and I'm going to just move it down along the bottom. And when I get to the center, I should see a little triangle symbol that will pop up. When I see that, I'm going to click it. And then I'm going to go ahead and draw this out. And I'm going to go ahead and just type in 1.375, which is the same size we made the semicircle, because that's really what got cut out of that in order to make it. I'm going to use the trim tool, and I'm going to trim the bottom portion of this circle away. And you're going to see you may get a little warning, and that's fine. It's just saying some constraints were removed, but now we've got a whole nother profile here that we can work with. So I'm going to right click and say OK. And there we get like two shapes, right? We have the arch, and then we have like the semicircle shape. I'm going to go ahead and finish the sketch. We're going to go ahead and hit the extrude button. I'm going to have to select the shape. And then what's going to happen is you'll see there's like a little blue arrow here that I can click and drag back into the shape. And what I can do here is I can type in like what distance that I want, or I could go over here to the extent type, hit the drop down, and just say cut through all. And it's going to automatically pick up 1.125 there. And I'm going to go ahead and it's going to say that it's going to be cutting. So that way we cut that out. I'm just going to go ahead and say OK. And there gives us our construction block arch that we're looking for. I'm going to press the A key on the keyboard, grab my paint color that I want to apply, hit close. Let's go ahead and save. We'll go ahead and save this, and then we'll go ahead and move on to the next couple blocks, which will use a similar kind of process in order to create those.